Top 5 possible reasons your car is shaking or vibrating. 1. Engine mounts. If the engine mounts are worn or damaged, engine vibrations are directly transmitted to the bodywork. You will then hear a distinctive knocking noise under the bonnet, which increases at certain engine speeds. Start the diagnostics by inspecting the condition of the components. They should be free of damage. Start the engine and drive forward a little in first gear, then switch into reverse and drive backwards. If you hear strange noises when starting and stopping, one or more mounts are defective. Using damaged components can cause accelerated wear of the mating elements. 2. Ignition system. Vibration at engine idle may be caused by incorrect operation of the ignition system. Failure of one or more spark plugs. To identify the failure, check the plugs by removing them one by one with the ignition off using a spark plug wrench. A visual inspection of the plugs may reveal the following: fouling, lacquer-like deposits, damage to the center electrode, connector wear, or melted plugs that indicate engine problems. In this case, installing a new set of plugs will not be enough. You need to eliminate the cause of early failure of the parts. Defective ignition coils. To identify the breakage, disassemble and carefully inspect the parts. The coil body must be free of cracks, dents, dark streaks, dielectric discoloration, or burnt contacts. Next, use a multimeter to measure the resistance of the windings by connecting the probes to the appropriate connector pins. 3. Intake system. Increased engine vibration may be caused by malfunctions in the intake system. Leak in the intake system. During operation, rubber hoses and seals dry out and crack, causing excess air to enter the engine along with fuel. The failure is reflected in difficult starting, unstable engine idling, loss of dynamics, and increased fuel consumption. When a leak is detected, the defects must be repaired and a leakage check must be carried out. Mass airflow sensor failure. A faulty mass airflow sensor is responsible for increased revs and fuel consumption. It must be replaced promptly. Contamination of the throttle valve. A dirty throttle valve causes uneven operation of the engine. You can check the condition of the component by removing the air intake hose from it. If the valve has deposits on it, it must be cleaned.
The whole world of car parts in your pocket. Download the Autodoc app.
4. Fuel system. Fuel system contamination also leads to unstable engine operation. In case of a failure, a lean mixture is supplied to the engine cylinders, which makes it difficult to start the engine, reduces the accelerator pedal response, and causes increased fuel consumption. The most common cause of reduced fuel line capacity is contamination of the fuel filters. Be sure to assess the condition of the components and replace them if necessary. 5. Drivetrain. Transmission. For vehicles with automatic transmission, vibration may occur during gear changes. It can be caused by a malfunction of the AT torque converter, wear of friction plates, blades, or bearings, or failure of the one-way clutch. Besides this, malfunctions can be caused by transmission fluid leaks through seals or service openings. To ensure proper operation of the automatic transmission, avoid sudden acceleration from a standing position and observe the transmission fluid and transmission filter replacement schedule. Prop shaft. For rear-wheel and four-wheel drive vehicles, Vibration during driving may be caused by the prop shaft. The unit may suffer from worn U-joint spiders or center bearings, deformed tubes, or other defects. Please note, the installation of a new prop shaft should be carried out by specialists. Wheels. Driving vibrations can also be caused by deformed wheel rims, wheel imbalance, and uneven tire tread wear. Inspect the wheels and make sure there is no critical tire tread wear.